The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, good morning.
Happy morning, students.
How are you all?
Hope you all are good and safe at home.
Yes, for this Golden Jubilee academic year, we teachers of Plus One Science and Plus One Commerce give you a grand welcome to this holy land of BSS Gurukulam Higher Secondary School, Alatur, Palakkad.
So
Are you ready to join us?
Yes, so please join us today. Today is the beginning of the Plus One virtual class. So we are so happy with you and let's see the school campus.
Definitely Vijayalakshmi teacher. This is going to be a wonderful academic year for this children because being at home they are going to enjoy our virtual classes and we are going to share the screen space with the present situation or the present what do you call this? Ambience of our school. Are you
Yes.
ready to enjoy for a short time, for a short span of time? Or you will you be with us to see to the ambience of our school today?
Yes, I think Gurukulam children will always be thrilled for everything. So now it's on your moment. So I want everyone to be with us and enjoy the school campus. Let's move, children.
Yes. And now you see to the car porch of our school with back of the flag post. You can see Gurukulam and above that you can see SMAPI school heading and below that you can see Padippu Danne Manujana Bhushanam. Don't you feel? It's right, isn't it? Without education, nobody can excel in this life. So, and above everything, you can see a SMAPI school. Is it not different, children? And to the left, you can see again, you have a different school too. Yes, definitely BSS Gurukulam Higher Secondary School is different as it is SMAPI. And are you not thrilled or are you not curious to know what SMAPI means? Yes, and you can also see to the right side of the school and all the classrooms, your swings are all waiting for you people. When are you going to join us? We are waiting. Okay. This is our corridor where our assemblies will be regularly held and you can see to the board. Yes, you can see to the board. It reads education for engineering. True human being is our sole concern. That is what Gurukulam focuses on and it's not a mere school beyond that. Beyond that means it's not a school where you come, get education and move back. Just your bookish knowledge. More than that, let us be a role model by being a SMAPI. The benchmark of education through BSS. So SMAPI is our whole source of concept we are going to deal with and from here
We just get back to our science and commerce, but as we say science and commerce, we are not separate. We are one. As always, we are going to be together to celebrate this Golden Jubilee year ahead. So now let's get back into our classes to know more from our class teachers about the SMAPI concept and how to go about with the virtual classes.
Yes.
So are you all ready, children?
Yes, we teachers have become one to make this academic year wonderful and let me invite Vijayalakshmi teacher plus one science class teacher to begin with the session.
And also we will be followed by Shri Priya teacher plus one commerce class teacher.
Yes,
Yes.
we'll meet you in the classrooms. Bye.
Bye. So children, once again I wish you all a very happy morning. As I've already introduced, this is Vijayalakshmi Sriram. your class teacher for +1 science and also your chemistry teacher. This year is going to be a different year for you because you are going to experience a different learning session, that is virtual classes at your doorstep. Now before getting into the session, I want to show you a small inspirational video which could change our lives or change the way we look into our lives.
I had some tantrums of saying, I can't do this is too hard. When I was a kid and comparing myself to everyone else and saying, I can't do it, I'll never be able to do that. My parents always sat me down and said, look Nick, yes, there are things that you can't do, but don't say I can't do it. Ask yourself, how can I do it? You know, there's ways around it. You can get from one side of the mountain to another, but you don't just have to walk over it. Maybe you can go underneath it or around it, or there's always ways in achieving the same goal. The way that I've achieved in my life doesn't always look the same for everyone else. But the key to that success was I believed in myself. If someone else could do something, then I could try and work out how. It starts with believing in yourself. I want to ask you a pretty heavy question. If today was your last day, what would you do? What about if this was your last minute to live? I know it sounds a little crazy, but let's say you never had a chance to say goodbye to your family, to your friends. You never were able to thank the people you should have thanked. Maybe you didn't forgive and you still have this burden on your heart. Maybe there's something that you've done wrong in your life and you just never got the chance to say, I'm sorry. Communicating those things, you gotta just live your life today, not knowing for sure if tomorrow is gonna come. I wanna ask you, if this was your last day, what would you do? Who would you hug? Who would you call? Who would you say thank you to? And who would you forgive?
Yes children, I hope you have seen the video. What I want to tell through the video is believe in yourself. When you start believing in yourself, you will reach the maximum. As I always say, sky is the limit. Yes, now here we are going to start with where we are and what we have. Nature has given abundance to everyone. It is how we do it and we decide to do the maximum out of it. Here in Gurukulam, we always keep telling ourselves that we are the best, we will because we can. Here we also concentrate on the positives and we try to improve our skills, and that's how the negatives will fade away. Yes, when we do things with pleasure and not with pressure, the results will come automatically. And that is why Gurukulam is titled as a different school. That is a school which inculcates the SMAPI concept. We guide our children to be smart and happy. Now a child is always happy when he or she does their favorite things. But how to become smart? A smart child is someone who can identify what is good and what is bad through self-evaluation. Yes children, here we don't compare individuals among themselves. Instead, we try to compare our yesterday with today. So children, to become smart and happy, what do you think is most important? Yes, we should be healthy. When our body and mind becomes healthy, we will be able to do any work successfully. Now to become healthy, one of our objectives says, healthy children, wealthy Gurukulam. Yes, so I want you all to get up early, do some physical activities in the morning, eat healthy food and avoid junk food. As the studies say, 60% and above of the children are facing mental depression. Now what could be the reason children? It is just because of lack of physical activities, or I will say an idle state of mind. Now why this happens? Because we don't have healthy diet system which will increase the proper metabolism. So I would request you all to follow a balanced diet so that our metabolism becomes good and we will be leading a healthy lifestyle. So children, what I want to tell you is this year, as because of this current pandemic situation, we are forced to take the virtual classes. So everything has become online and you are also forced to use your mobiles or computers or any electronic gadgets for that sake. And you know, when we are using communication tools, you must be very careful because please understand the basic do's and don'ts. So I would request you to follow a 20-20-20 rule which our counselor has proposed for us. And what he says in that is, you watch the video for 20 minutes, for the next 20 seconds you look into greenery, and next 20 times you blink your eyes so that your eyes get rejuvenated with more energy and your body becomes cool to accept the next information. Now, the next objective, very important for us, is communicative English. Studies also say that an individual who has got a very high qualification but not having a good communication skill can never excel in the field he is in. So as a part of improving our communication skill, as you have already been informed by our principal sir, I would request you to watch the English videos, that is of your favorite topic, especially like TED Talks, and you maintain a notebook for that, especially to write about the content, explanation, new vocabulary with its meaning, which will be randomly checked by our principal himself.
Now this is your classroom. Though you are not here physically, but I have visualized you all that you all are sitting in your respective places. So expecting very soon your arrival to school, let us move into academics. As I told you, I will be handling chemistry. Chemistry, just like previous years, this year it's going to be different. So I would say you will have a wonderful, interesting experience, which I will make you all like my subject. Right. Now this year we have got two textbooks, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 has 7 chapters and part 2 has 8 chapters. So overall we have 15 chapters for this year. Apart from this, I'll be giving you notes once the classes are done, where you have to write the notes in a long size notebook. It can be ruled or unruled. The concerned teachers, as now if I am going to give you the homework or any assignment, you have to do it on time and report it through WhatsApp now as of it is virtual. Because we have continuous evaluation where you will be awarded marks for it for doing your assignments and homework on time. Now we will be moving into our subject teachers. Like I would like to introduce all the subject teachers to you, though not physically now, as each one of the teachers will be talking to you through the WhatsApp. We have Shri Priya teacher handling English, Ranjit sir handling Hindi, Lalita teacher will be taking you through Malayalam, Hari Prasad sir to Sanskrit, and we have Chitralekha teacher taking maths for you, giving you all solutions to your problems, and we have Kirti teacher handling physics, and this year we have biology as botany and zoology. So there will be 2 teachers who will be taking to you, one botany Priya Vinaya teacher and for zoology Arshana teacher. So children, are you all ready to get on to the topics? So from Monday onwards, that is next Monday onwards, we will be starting our virtual classes. So be on the platform to watch all the videos. All the videos will be sent to you through as per the timetable. Now when I say timetable, I will be giving you the timetable. Go through it and watch the videos accordingly. Now do not forget to watch the videos, as the teachers will be doing a regular follow-up whether to check you have watched the videos or not. Now the most important is we have 3 children who are eagerly waiting to
to share their feelings about the new beginning. So let us hear from them.
അങ്കിത, ഞാൻ ഗുരുകുലത്ത് +1 സയൻസ് പഠിക്കുന്നു. സയൻസ് എടുക്കാനുള്ള കാരണം എൻ്റെ ആംബിഷൻ ഡോക്ടർ ആവാനാണ്. ഞാൻ 8th ഗുരുകുലത്ത് ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ചേരുന്നത്. 8, 9, 10 3 വർഷവും ഭയങ്കര പ്രഷ്യസും മെമ്മറബിൾ മൊമെൻറ്റ്സ് നിറഞ്ഞതുമായിരുന്നു. എനിക്ക് സ്റ്റഡീസ് റിലേറ്റഡ് വല്ല പ്രശ്നമുണ്ടെങ്കിലും ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ റെഡി ആയിരുന്നു. അവർ ഭയങ്കര മോട്ടിവേഷനലും പിന്നെ അതുമാത്രമല്ല എൻകറേജ്മെൻറ്റും ചെയ്യുമായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെറിയ ടാലൻറ്റ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും കൂടി നമുക്ക് ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റീസ് കുറേ തരുമായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഈ സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് പഠിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡൻ്റ് ആണെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര അഭിമാനമാണ്. കാരണം എന്ത് ടാലൻറ്റ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് അത് സഹായിക്കാൻ നല്ലോണം ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യും. നമ്മുടെ ടാലൻസിനെ പുറത്തെടുത്ത് അത് പോളിഷ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ +1 ആണ്. 10th വരെ പഠിച്ചതല്ല +1. ടോട്ടൽ ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് കണ്ടൻസിലും പിന്നെ അതുമാത്രമല്ല നമ്മുടെ സബ്ജക്ട്സിലെല്ലാം ഡിഫർ ചെയ്യും. അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ ജോലി എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അന്ന് എടുക്കുന്നത് അന്ന് തന്നെ പഠിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ പിന്നീട് നമുക്ക് ഒരിക്കലും +1 ഒരു ബേർഡൻ ആയിട്ട് തോന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ അന്ന് എടുക്കുന്നത് അന്ന് തന്നെ പഠിച്ചാൽ നമുക്ക് ടെൻഷൻ ഫ്രീ ആവും. നമുക്ക് +1 +2 പിന്നെ ഒരിക്കലും അയ്യോ ഭയങ്കര ടഫാണ് അങ്ങനെ ഒരിക്കലും പറയേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. ഞാൻ 10th പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ സാർ ഇങ്ങനെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ സാർ എടുത്ത് പറയുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ലൈക്ക് സയൻസ് എടുത്താൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഡിറ്റർമൈൻഡ് ആയിരിക്കണം. ഒരിക്കലും പിന്നീട് സയൻസ് എടുത്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് അയ്യോ എനിക്ക് സയൻസ് ഒന്നും പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല എന്ന് പറയാൻ പാടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു ഓൾ ദ ബെസ്റ്റ്. ക്ലാസ്സസ് തുടങ്ങുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും കൂടിയിട്ട് ഒത്തുചേർന്ന് കുറേ മെമ്മറബിൾ മൊമെൻറ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. താങ്ക് യു.
Hello everyone, myself Arshana Abdulaziz. I've taken science as my stream for my higher studies. I took it because my favorite subject is science and my ambition is to become a doctor. Previously, I was studying in International Indian School Dammam, which is in Saudi Arabia. I've had a wonderful and memorable moments over there. This is my first year here in Gurukulam, and I've heard that the teachers and even the principal are so wonderful and caring. And in the school, we will get an opportunity to express our talents. And I like that part of the school. Hope this 11th and 12th session will be a wonderful and memorable moments for all of us. And work hard, stay safe, and bye all.
Hi friends, I am Ashik, student of BSS Gurukulam. I am very delighted to have this moment with all of you, and also I hope all are doing well during these days. To be truthful, I am eagerly waiting for our rejoin with lot of dreams. Yes, with crazy dreams. I believe we all have such crazy dreams in our life. The crazy dreams that keep us up at night is a real dream we are chasing. But to chase that dream, to find that dream, to make that dream a reality, we need a strategy. A dream without a plan is just a wish, said by Tony Robbins. But I'm not having any worry about my future, about my dream, because still I strongly believe in a safe and secure hands of Gurukulam. Whatever may be the obstacle in our life, in our study, or whatever, my teacher hear the problem as my friend. I feel I am free to share everything to my teacher, and they give the solution as parent for me. Not only the solution, but also making it reality. They help me a lot. Having a talent is the creativity of God. Finding the talent is the blessing of God. In this case, I am very blessed. The Gurukulam family has to see the real talent in me and keep me motivated. They provide all opportunity and proper guidance to achieve the target. Really, I am very thankful to be a part of Gurukulam family. If I continue speaking about my school, the video will not be sufficient for that. To be point out, so to be an artist, creativity is important. To be an engineer, accuracy is must. To be a doctor, patience is needed. All the needed skill, all at one plane, and that is a different school, Gurukulam. I had joined in the +1 science at Gurukulam, lovingly waiting to see you all in home, the Gurukulam. Thank you. See you.
Thank you, Ankita, Arshana, and Ashik. That was a wonderful sharing from you. And I feel so excited that I'm missing you all so much and eagerly waiting to be with you to enjoy this golden jubilee year with all the excitements in the class. Have a great year ahead, children. and stay home, stay safe. Until then, see you in the next virtual classes. It's me signing off. Bye.